we got something a little different, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today we got something a little different, guys. But one's gonna fight now. Let's get into honk. This is gonna be a little weird. So guys, I just got done getting cans from hot and tired, so this is why I said it's gonna be a little weird 3 times. Now 4 times. So yeah. I got good news, she might do it. We all know when there's bones like this, y'all know I die for them. Nah, I'm joking, I won't actually die for them. But I am willing to do anything to try to at least get them harmed. I'm willing to do anything, unless it's something inappropriate or something that I don't feel comfortable doing. Then I'm not gonna do it. But I'm willing to do anything for free, not bones. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Really fun. Last year we graded this, so yeah, I'm going home. You'll try to do it right up on it, maybe. I don't know. Bowhorn call. Probably some pulpits, maybe a pulpit. I got a Peterbilt with the newer bowhorns, 4 of them, and they were nice now. Quad horn display on it. He got a hat leak, I can't tell that it's on the horn, so yeah, this may be fun. Gonna be one of the Saturday Night Glow Rush clips. Comments never die. I'm gonna move it. Yesterday I got a fight, that Ford, the red Ford, she honked, and that scared the crap out of me. There's something on my foot. Ooh, I saw something be dropped over there. I saw some money get dropped over there. I'm going over here. But I want the money. It could be a wheat penny. Huh? No, man. I thought it. Found it. I heard it from over there and dropped. Sweet. That's nice. Sorry guys, that's nice. To 1989, they can say where it's from. But also it could be a dimble. It could be a dimble, but I have to look at it. Looks normal.